Sometimes you click on a video just to watch one quick thing, and then an ad pops up, then another, and your mood shifts a little even though you still want the content. And that small friction is usually where YouTube Premium starts sounding interesting, because it connects uninterrupted viewing with extra features that go beyond just removing ads. And as you look into it, the experience starts linking convenience with flexibility in a way regular viewing doesn't always offer. The idea behind it isn't complicated, but it touches several habits at once, because many people use YouTube for learning, music, podcasts, and entertainment, and those different uses blend into daily life. With Premium, videos play without ads, and that connects directly to smoother watching, but it also allows background play, which bridges video and audio use since you can lock your phone and still listen. Then there's offline downloads, and those connect travel or low data situations with access, because you can save videos ahead of time and watch later without internet. All these features flow together, so one benefit often leads into another without you planning it. Another part people like is that YouTube Music is included, and that bridges video and music streaming together, because you can switch between watching and listening depending on your mood. For some users, this replaces a separate music app, and that overlap connects value with practicality. There's also the flexibility of canceling anytime, which links commitment with control, since you're not locked in long term. Of course, whether it feels worth it depends on how much you use YouTube, and heavy users often notice the difference quickly, while casual viewers weigh the cost against the convenience. Still, the smoother flow, fewer interruptions, and offline options quietly change how the platform feels. Over time, you might forget ads were even there before, because your routine adjusts to the cleaner experience. And then you open a video just to check something and realize it plays straight through. And that turns into another video, and then into listening with your screen off. And somewhere between one clip and the next, you notice how seamless it feels, and the thought just drifts toward what you'll watch later. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.